Hi, I'm Ewan Thomas, former European, Commonwealth and World Champion athlete. Many years ago, that was my old life. And what some people might not know is I'm a massive petrol head. Love my cars, love my motorbikes, hence I'm here. I don't know if you can even hear that, but I'm revving it and I'm not getting that excitement. My previous car was a C63, decatted, it sounded like thunder. This car looks amazing, but it's just missing that wow factor. That's why I've come to MILLTEK to sort it out. This needs to sound better. My car history is so varied. I've had all sorts. R8, I now drive an RS6, C63 AMG, Lamborghini Huracan, G-Wagon Brabus Edition, you name it, I've pretty much had it. Cars have always been a massive passion of mine, and the latest car I've got to say, I've only had it a week. Apart from the sound, I'd say it's probably the best car I've ever owned. I'm loving it. My previous car, the C63, the big 6.2 litre V8, that had a MILLTEK system on it and it sounded fantastic. My neighbours hated me. Every time I take my boy to nursery at 7 in the morning, they would know it was time to get up. So I loved it. The neighbours didn't love it, but it did sound great. My passion for cars actually comes from my dad, from as long as I can remember. He's a really big fan of Alfa Romeos and he used to take me out every Sunday, driving in his Alfa, going on the back of his motorbike to watch his beloved Spurs play as well. So bikes, cars, all my life I've been into them. Couldn't wait to pass my bike test to get a big bike, and then same with my car. As soon as I could, I think my second car was a Peugeot 205 GTI 1.9, and the first thing I did was change the exhaust system on it. I've always liked things that are loud and in your face and yeah, just fast. How the car should sound. It's epic. Absolutely love it. Before, I was like, the car looks great, it looks angry, but it sounds a bit fluffy. Now, it's how it should sound. I can't wait for a 3-hour drive home. I can't wait to hear it on the roads. I'm hugely impressed here at MILLTEK. I thought it was just going to be one building. Every time I turn a corner, there's another building, there's another factory, there's people everywhere. It's huge. Obviously, they're so well known in the car industry, but I am actually truly blown away with how professional it is here and how big it is. MILLTEK is a brand that I've heard of many times. I've had it on my previous car. They're brilliant. Everyone knows their quality, and I've just spent a lot of money on my latest car. I absolutely love it. I'm not going to stick some rubbish on it, so I've come to the best.